Hello, welcome to the world of Cresta, the mighty all-in-one food processor designed for home chefs, powered by master chefs. Let's take a quick look at its features. Powerful 1 HP motor, 5 jars to take care of all your food processing needs, 4-speed control with a unique food processor speed setting, custom dual chutes for various sizes of vegetables, measuring cup or pushers for convenience, specialized blades for slicing and grating, atta kneader, kneads atta in less than a minute, whisker, vegetable chopper, citrus juicer, airlock rubber boots for extra firm grip, LED power indicator, 360-degree airflow for superior ventilation, automatic overload protector. Now, let's see about the unique attachments of your butterfly Cresta. Installation of the food processor jar. Place the gearbox in the locking rib slot. Turn clockwise to lock. On top of the gearbox slot, fix the bowl by turning clockwise until the bowl handle aligns with the gearbox's locking slot. Fix the shaft onto the spindle at the center of the food processor bowl. Now let's look at all the tricks that it has up its sleeve. Vegetable chopper. Insert the blade into the shaft and push it down until it's secure. Place lid on the slot and turn clockwise to lock. Cut the vegetables into smaller pieces, drop them into the bowl. If the vegetables need peeling, peel them before dropping into the bowl. For optimal chopping, vegetables should not exceed 500 grams and should be filled at least till the blade level. Now operate the food processor in pulse mode 4 to 5 times or until the desired size is achieved. Atta kneader. Mount the atta kneader on the shaft and push it down until it's secure. Use the measuring cup to measure the amount of atta or water. The big can hold 190 grams of atta and small can hold 120 ml. Add flour in the big cup and water in the small cup in 1:1 ratio. Run at food processor speed. Add water gradually through the chute until the desired consistency is achieved and the atta gathers into a firm ball. The batter will be ready in a minute. Add salt to your taste and oil if needed. Whisker. Whisk fresh cream, lassi, buttermilk, pudding mixture, mayonnaise, etc. Mount the whisker on the shaft and push it down until it's secure. Drop the mixture to be whisked into the bowl. Ensure the mixture is maximum filled to half of the bowl. Use the food processor mode to whisk until the desired consistency is obtained. This is your slicer blade and blade supporting disc. Place the blade onto the slot on the blade supporting disc. Press firmly to lock. Avoid touching the blade slicing part as it might injure you. Fix the supporting disc in the shaft. Place the peeled vegetables into either the big or small chute depending on the size of the vegetable. In case the vegetable is too big to fit in, cut the size down and insert into the chute. Run at food processor speed. Push the vegetables in gently using the pusher. Ensure to slice only 500 grams of vegetables per batch. By replacing different blades on the blade supporting disc, thin slicing, thick slicing, wave slicing, small and large grating can be achieved. To remove the blade, exit the blade supporting disc from the jar, turn it upside down and push the blade out using your thumbs. Clean the blade by placing it under running water from a tap. Do not rub it with your fingers or scrubber to avoid injuries. The citrus juicer. Mount the juicer on the shaft and push it down until it's secure. Wash and cut the fruits into 2 equal halves. Align the center of the fruit to the tip of the cone on the juicer. Run at food processor speed and press the fruit firmly and gently. Keep changing the position of the fruit to maximize juice output. Now that you've seen the magic unleashed by the food processor, let's now move on to the juicer jar. Cresta's juicer jar can churn out yummy juices in a matter of minutes. To use the juicer jar, place the juicer jar on the mixer. Turn it clockwise to lock in position. Take the juicer extractor and place inside the jar in the provision made. Close the lid and rotate clockwise to lock. Drop the cut fruits into the extractor. Hold the pusher with one hand and switch on the food processor. Push the pusher gently and watch luscious fruit juice filling the jar. Add water to your need and repeat the process to maximize the amount of juice extracted. We move on to the multi-purpose 1.5 litre jar. It can be used in varied ways like wet grinding of dal, grams and grinding batter for idli and dosa. The Cresta food processor also comes with a 1 litre dry grinding jar for grinding variety of masalas, turmeric, spices, etc. How can we forget the chutneys while talking about food? Using the 500 ml chutney jar, make irresistibly yummy coconut or onion tomato chutneys with idlis and dosas so the world envies you. Butterfly Cresta food processor. Boring samayalukku bye, butterfly ku hi.